Do you struggle with online learning? Are you having difficulties in keeping up? Do you ever feel like giving up? Today I'm going to talk about my quest in analyzing users' opinions on online courses using artificial intelligence. Ever since the COVID-19 outbreak in 2020, online courses are gaining more recognition due to their flexibility and accessibility, especially the massive open online courses. I'm sure most of you have heard of Coursera, Udemy, and Udacity. One of the main perks of these online courses is that you can now gain knowledge at any time and at anywhere, regardless of your age demographics, which is amazing. But unfortunately, the number of people who actually completed their courses is significantly lower than the number of enrollments. It was discovered that there is a rising number of student dropouts and course incompletion rates. My project intends to study how users feel about these online courses by analyzing users' posts on social media. When an end product is delivered, you would want to know how your audience feel about it. Is it good? Is it bad? Or is it somewhere in the middle? Bill Gates, a well-known business magnate, once said, "Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning." That's why we need to analyze users' feedback and learn their thoughts on these online courses. However, one feedback is not enough to determine the overall performance of a product, or in this case, the online courses. User 1 might think it's good, but what about user 2? And the others? To solve that mystery, we need to collect as many feedback as we can. One of the most used platforms in today's generation is none other than social media. According to the Kipios analysis in October 2021, the number of social media users worldwide is approximately about 4.55 billion users, which is also equivalent to more than half of the world's population. Now that is a lot of people. My project focuses on Twitter, which is a very popular microblogging site where people share their thoughts and opinions on various topics. And what better way to get people's opinions on these online courses than using Twitter? So basically, I would extract real-time Twitter data and analyze the insights of each tweet related to the online courses. And because manual analysis is a lot of work, we automate the process by using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is simply the ability of a computer program to think and learn so that it can perform a given task smartly. And one of the ways to do that is through a process called machine learning, which is the process of teaching computers how to think by giving them lots and lots of examples. Just like we humans learn from experience, computers learn from samples. Now that you know the main concept, let's dive a bit deeper into the world of sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a technique used to determine whether a given text is considered positive, negative, or even neutral. It is extremely useful to obtain insights from customers' feedback, social media monitoring, and product analysis. The first step is to clean the extracted Twitter data to make it easier to analyze. So, we get rid of all the unwanted characters, leaving us nothing but a big chunk of words. And then, the computer system will analyze the text data and give us the labels based on the samples we provided before. And voila! You now have your users' feedback as well as the insights. With this method, I'll be able to achieve my goal in understanding users' perceptions on online courses. By understanding users' psychology, we can provide a strong, practical reference to improve the quality of the existing information services and learning process so that the objectives can be achieved successfully and effectively. Thank you.